creator of the tsunami, master of the tides, and gatekeeper of the equator, and ruler of the seven seas, and of all who travel above and below, have been horrified to learn that the Nautica and its fully examined the ship's deck cadet and determined that there is absolutely nothing wrong with him physically or mentally. He is fit for duty. For those of you that cannot hear, he said it's a miracle. Cadet, we'd ask you to please stand.
Rhoda from Rochester, New York.
Rhoda, you must kiss the fish. And now suffer your punishment.
This is better than some yeah.
You are now a shellback.
Yeah.
Richard from the United States.
Richard, apparently wanted by your local authorities. You must kiss the fish. Now, face the audience, suffer your punishment. You are now a shellback. Congratulations. Thank you, Jerry. Patrick. Step right up. We have many people.
Judy from Canada.
Judy, you must kiss the fish. Now accept your punishment. Judy has the first